students, today we are going to discuss the next topic of chapter 5, that is change in quantity demanded versus change in demand. It means what is the difference between change in quantity demanded and change in demand. So before discussing the difference between both of them, we have to understand what is the meaning of change in quantity demanded and change in demand. First of all, if there is change in prices and there will be change in quantity purchased, that is known as a quantity demanded. Clear? It means when there is change in quantity demanded due to change in prices, if other things remains constant, that is known as change in quantity demanded. Change in quantity demanded is also known as movement along demand curve. It means if there is change in quantity purchased due to prices and other things remains constant, then the point will be moved towards demand curve only. Clear? That is known as change in quantity demanded. There are two types of changes: extension of demand and contraction of demand. Extension of demand, when demand extend due to decrease in prices. When demand extend due to decrease in prices, that is known as extension of demand, or we can say when demand rises. In that condition, when prices falls, that is known as an extension of demand. Second, contraction of demand. What is the meaning of contraction of demand? When prices rises and demand fall, or we can say contract. When prices rises and demand contract, that is known as a contraction of demand. Clear? Now look at there. Prices in this condition, at the time of extension, prices fall and quantity purchase, or we can say quantity demanded, extend. Clear? Prices fall, quantity purchase, that will be increase. That is known as extension of demand. Contraction of demand, when prices increases and quantity purchase fall or contract, that is known as contraction of demand. Clear? Now, but that will be occurs when other things remains constant. I explained you what is the meaning of other things. Other things, it means PR, price of related goods; Y, income of the consumer; T, taste and preference; E, expectation. It means four factors should remain constant: PR, Y, T and E. If they are constant and prices changes and there will be the change in quantity purchase, that is known as change in quantity demand. And in that condition, demand curve move along towards the demand curve move shift point shift only the demand curve. Okay. Now I am going to explain you through diagrammatically. Look at there. All of you know that is there is an inverse relationship between demand and prices. Here we are going to show quantity demanded. Here we are going to show prices. Clear? Now, all of you know, if there is inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded, then demand curve slope downward. So, demand curve slope downward. DD, demand curve. Clear? Now, suppose the prices are OP. You can see very easily the prices are OP. Sorry, I have written wrong here. Here O. And here we are going to write X. If the prices are OP, then it's meet with a demand curve at A point. Now the quantity demanded will be OQ. You can see very easily. In extension of demand, prices decreases. If prices decreases from OP to OP1. Now look at there. If prices decreases from OP to OP1, you can see very easily, then quantity demanded extend from OQ to OQ1. Clear? At which point? B point. So the demand curve move from downward direction, that is from A to B point. You can see very easily that is in mover direction. Clear? That is known as extension of demand. Now we are going to move towards contraction of demand. In contraction of demand, I told you prices increases, quantity demanded decreases if other things remains constant. Now how we are going to show it into the diagrammatically? You can see here, look at there. Here we are going to write 0, x and y. Again there is an inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. So demand curve slope downward. Now look at there, DD demand curve. Clear? Now OP prices. OP prices. At which point it occurs? At A point. Now look at there. That will be OQ quantity. Clear? You can see very easily. Now the quantity will be contracted when prices increases. Suppose the prices increases from OP to OP1. From OP to OP1. At which point it occurs at a demand curve? B point. Now look at there. The quantity contracted from OQ to OQ1. OQ to OQ1. This is known as a contraction of demand. Clear? In that direction you can see very easily the demand curve points move upward from A to B point. So in extension of demand curve you can see the demand curve move in which direction? Downward direction. In extension demand curve move, DD demand curve move in which direction? From A to B point. Clear? You can see in downward direction. Which direction? Downward direction. Clear? Now in contraction of demand you can see the demand curve move from A to B point. In which direction? That will be in upward direction. Clear? In contraction that will be in upward direction, and in extension that will be in downward direction. Clear? That is all for today. Thank you.